Hi, my name is India Patel, and I'm a book conservation intern at the Northeast Document Conservation Center. Today, I'm going to walk you through the basic steps of leaf casting, a method developed in the mid-1980s and used in both paper and book conservation. Leaf casting is a conservation method used to strengthen and repair paper documents. The process involves covering a damaged sheet of paper with a pulp mixture to fill in losses and create a seamless repair. Some projects may require preliminary mending before leaf casting, while others have substantial losses that need direct attention. And all necessary aqueous treatments, including washing, alkalization, ink stabilization, and sizing, are done prior to leaf casting. Because leaf casting requires mixing various pulps to create a color that closely matches the original document, many color matching samples have been created using a variety of pulp types to aid in this process. Once a sample is selected, different color papers are weighed to the correct proportions of the calculated fill. The paper is then blended with water to create a pulp mixture.
While the pulp blends, the document is prepared for the leaf caster. If particularly delicate or fragmented, the document is carefully arranged on a sheet of polyester film. At the leaf caster, the casting area is filled with water. Non-woven fabric is placed into the casting area. This will help hold the object in place. Next, the polyester film mask is placed on top. This will define the area into which the object will be placed. The leaf caster is filled with water. Pulp mixture is poured into the leaf caster and then stirred for even dispersion. The document's losses are filled with the rapid force of drainage, causing the pulp to be pulled into only the areas of loss. Piece of non-woven fabric is placed on top of the object to protect the new fills, then sandwiched between blotting paper to absorb excess moisture, and then processed to compact the newly formed pulp into the paper. This step is crucial for preventing distortion and ensuring a uniform drying process. And the fields are seamless.